When you shine light at molecules, the molecules become excited and they emit back a shifted light that's slightly different from the light that you shine at them. And by measuring the amount of the difference, you can tell what molecule you're looking at and even what shape it is or what bonds it has inside of it. We make portable precision chem-bio labs for people who need to do real-time analysis in the field. Think of it as an antivirus software platform for actual viruses. Right now you have personnel all over the world who are vulnerable to both deliberate threats and accidents. A terrorist attack involving nasty chemical or biological substances, accidental foodborne contamination, outbreak of let's say a flu pandemic. We're making a small, portable, instant, software automated, easy to use machine that's non-destructive to the sample and gets you an analysis that's as good or better than any laboratory machine in the world, but fits in the palm of your hand or goes on the drone or anywhere you need it to be. What we've developed is a system that will prevent this from happening in the future, because we can surround the warfighter with small portable machines that are continuously scanning for all possible threats and alerting us the minute they start to show up. It's molecular precision products, which is going to be important in the making of just about everything in the future. And then the most important and significant thing that we will ever do is the universal preventative multi-diagnostics. So take a disease like cancer, for example. It's an incredible problem because it's so complex and it's always changing, it's always mutating. And we really don't know how to attack it when the first few cancerous cells show up in your bloodstream, for example, and then we can mitigate immediately. And that's kind of the holy grail of what we're doing. I think Tech Warrior Ops is a tremendous example of doing business throughout the DoD. And I think it's an incredibly important opportunity for the people who have the need to directly experience the solution that we're working on. And I am extremely grateful that we have this opportunity not only to be funded by the best customer in the world in terms of the Air Force and the US military broadly, but also to ensure maximal customer satisfaction. Looking forward to being back next year with a product that we know is going to knock their socks off.